Now students, our next topic is the presentation of data in the form of root frequency distribution. So now, if you have given when our data has a large number of values like x1, x2 and so on xn, and the most of them are the distinct. So it becomes inconvenient to represent this data in the form of ungrouped frequency distribution. Like example here 20 to 29 and the next is 30 to 39. This is a discontinuous, not continuous. So and etc. So these grouping are called the classes or the class interval. Suppose here given the example 10 to 20. So 10 is the least number, so that is called a lower limit of class, and the 20 is the greatest number, so that is called a upper limit of class. So now students, the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit, upper limit and the lower limit, so that is called a class size or the class width. Now the difference between the upper limit and the lower class limit is called class size or the class width. So the number of entries of the data having their values lying in a class defined as the frequency of the class. So the table in which the corresponding frequency are written against each class, so is called the frequency distribution table. So now here we given the types of group frequency distribution. The first type is exclusive, that is called continuous form, and second is inclusive, this is called a discontinuous form. So first is exclusive continuous form, a frequency distribution in which upper limit of each class is excluded and the lower limit is included. For example, in class 0 to 10. So 0 to 10 we include 0 and the exclude is 10. Now 10 to 20, so we include 10 is include and 20 is exclude 20. So now the second inclusive or you can say discontinuous form. So a frequency distribution in which each upper limit as well as lower limit are included, so that is called an inclusive form. Um, for example, in 0 to 10, 0 to 10 given interval, so both are the included 0 and 10. Now, in next example, in given 11 to 20, so both 11 and 20 are both are included, so that is called a inclusive or you can say discontinuous form. So this is the types of group frequency distribution: exclusive continuous form and the inclusive, that is discontinuous form.